Olectra secures 1800 crore rupee electric bus order from TGSRTC through EV Trans. Olectra Greentech has informed the exchanges that its subsidiary, EV Trans Private Limited, has received 2 letters of award from Telangana State Road Transport Corporation for the supply, operation and maintenance of 1085 electric buses for intra-city operations. The total order comprises 1025 units of 12-meter non-AC buses and 60 units of 12-meter AC buses. These buses will be deployed under a gross cost contract model for a period of 12 years, providing long-term operational visibility. Under the structure of the agreement, EV Trans will procure the buses from Olectra Greentech. The delivery of all 1085 buses is scheduled to be completed over a period of 20 months. The total value of the bus supply is approximately 1800 crore rupee for Olectra. In addition to supplying the buses, Olectra will also undertake maintenance of these vehicles during the 12-year contract period, adding recurring revenue visibility. The contract has been awarded by a domestic entity and pertains to domestic operations. The project will support intra-city public transportation in Telangana and further strengthens Olectra's position in the electric bus segment in India. From a business perspective, the order enhances Olectra's order book and improves revenue visibility over the next few years. The GCC OPEX model ensures predictable cash flows linked to long-term operations rather than one-time asset sales. Importantly, the company has clarified that the promoter group, or group companies do not have any interest in the awarding entity. This indicates that the transaction is at arm's length and commercially driven. Overall, this large-scale electric bus deployment reinforces Olectra's growing presence in India's public electric mobility ecosystem and adds significant scale to its execution pipeline. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.